What can you get out of this green lockpick set? How can you save money and how to make your lockpicking faster? That's what we will talk about in this video. This lockpick set comes in a box. It says Denu. Also the lockpick case says Denu. And what I love the most about it is the case. Why? For this price it's difficult to get a decent case. Not even for this price, for any price. My case that I use is from Chris Dangerfield, sorry. It's a little bit better, it's harder, the shape doesn't allow it to bend, and there are rubbers. But anyway, this is very similar. It's only a bit softer and the shape allows it to bend. So those picks that are stored in the case, and you maybe put the case in your bag on the bottom and squeeze, maybe the picks will end up bent. But it's not a big problem, you can bend it back and it will not break. I think it's one of the better cases. It has more compartments than what I have. Why do I prefer it? Because then the compartments are shared with picks. So if I have a tensioner that is inside, I have a difficulty maybe to get it out, but still I can. Okay. And more importantly, if I switch tools, let's say these are my favorite tools, and I am in the field, this is around my neck so that I am hands-free, and I switch them, maybe I will pull unintentionally some of the tension wrenches out. They will fall on the ground. Maybe if I don't hear it and forget them there or lose them, it's a pity. So that's why I prefer more compartments are better. So I can dedicate, let's say this, oh, this went through. Oh. If I have a compartment for my tensioner, let's say it's here or it is here, then I probably don't lose it as fast. There are some lockpicks, but it's not important how many lockpicks are there. You only need a hook and a diamond maybe and some rake. You will probably choose only one or two. This is a city rake. It's one of my favorites. This is another of my favorites. But anyway, if you buy any lockpick set, and especially if it's a cheaper one, watch about these sharp edges. You can upgrade your low-cost lockpick set to a middle or a good one by using sandpaper. If you smoothen the edges out, and it takes a long time, let's say 10, 20 or 30 minutes for each pick. You start with 200 or 300 coarseness, you proceed with, let's say, 500, 800. If you really want, you may polish it with 1000 or 2000. But this will make your lockpicking much faster and you will be more successful. What do I think about this lockpick set? For this price, this case is nice. Even if you replace the picks afterwards, you maybe keep this case. And for a starter, for a beginner, if you start with these picks and use the sandpaper, it's a nice start. So I recommend it.